Hey everyone, Amber here, and today I'm so excited to be teaching you a song by my musical idol, Sheryl. The song's title is If It Makes You Happy, and this is a great song to challenge those of you who are late beginners and intermediate players. So go grab your guitar and let's get into the lesson today. So let's dive into a close-up and learn the main riff that we hear played in the intro and during the verse of the song. Now this riff is going to revolve around a G major chord. Okay? Now most people play their G like this, but for this song we're going to need to change the fingers around so that we can add in some of those embellishments that is going to make the song sound like the original. So instead of playing G with our first, second, and third fingers, we're going to need to shimmy our fingers around a little bit, and we're going to place our pinky into the third fret on the high E string, and we're going to take our third finger and place it onto the low E string in the third fret. And what we want is for this third finger to mute the A string. So we don't really want to hear that string. And this is going to be the G chord that we're going to use for the riff today. And the reason why we're going to be using this is because we are freeing up our first and second fingers to add in some embellishments. So here's a demo of what we're going to be doing today. Now, I just want to say that this might be quite tough for those absolute beginners out there. So be kind to yourself if you are struggling when you are learning this today in the lesson. So we're going to start off with the first bar. Now, what's really important to understand is that we're using the same strumming pattern in the first and second section of the riff. So maybe just try practicing the strumming pattern down, 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 up, down, up. We're going to use that throughout the entire riff. So we have down, 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 up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up. So the first bar, we have our G chord. And what I want you to do is to play that first down strum, but focusing on that E string. So we're just really going to be playing one string there. So we have down, 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 up, down. Just up to there. Down, 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 up, down. And when we play that up strum, we're going to be adding in the embellishment. Now this is going to be like a sus chord. So we're going to have our first finger in the first fret on the B string, and our second finger is going to be in the second fret on the G string. And that'll be our up strum. And you really just want to focus on those three higher sounding strings. Just flicking the strings. So we have down, 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 up, down, up. So more like a bass as our first strum. Bass, down, down, up, down, up. So just practice getting that right first. And if you need to take a break, shake out your wrist because we don't want to get a cramp and we don't want to hurt ourselves. So really just give yourself as much grace as you need. And we try it again. Bass, down, down, up, down, up. When we get to the second part of this riff, it's going to start off again with a bass for our down strum. Then we're going to strum down, down again, and then on the up, we're going to take our fingers 1 and 2 off. So from the start of that second section, one more time. When we're going to do our next down strum, we're going to put our second finger onto the D string for the down, and then take it away for the last up. So in total, the second section. So we have a bass, down, down, up, down, up. And really focus your pick on the sections of the string where you are making all the effort with your fretting hand. So there's no point in when you're playing your first and second fingers down and really squeezing. focusing up on these lower sounding strings. You're really wanting to focus on where you are putting in the work and the effort with your fretting hand. So the whole thing would sound something like this. Bass, down, down, up, bass, down, down, up, and then we repeat it again. Bass, down, down, up, bass, down, down, up, up. Again, I want to reiterate that this riff is not for the faint-hearted. If you are one of those people who've always played your G like this, then you might be finding this riff a little bit easier to learn. But for the majority of us guitarists who play the G in our traditional way, then this is going to be really difficult. And even I'm struggling. I'll be completely transparent with you. This song has really kicked my butt this week while I've been learning it. So I just want you to take comfort in knowing that this song has definitely had its challenges for me. So let's try it one more time, playing through the riff, and we're gonna do it 4 times. So here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, bass, down, down, up, bass, down, down, up. So this riff that we've just been learning is played throughout the intro of the song as well as during the verse. Now, there is a section at the end of the verse where we are going to be going from that G chord shape. Just a normal down, 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 up. And we're going to then transition to a C major. Down, 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 up, up. So to put it into context for you, we're going to add a little bit of singing here. So it's going to sound something like this. A 1, 2, 3, 4. G. A long way from here. Put on a poncho, played for mosquitoes. G chord down to the C chord, back to the G riff. This is the second time. Third time. Now we're just going to do the G, down, 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 up, C chords. So really take some time now to practice this G chord riff. I really feel that it makes the song, and without it, the song just isn't going to sound as punchy or as iconic. As difficult as this riff is, really take some time, even if it takes you a few weeks or months, to practice playing this riff as much as you can. And I have a play along coming up at the end of the lesson where you can put it into practice. But another really great tip I can give you is to practice playing this riff along with the original track. Now the next section we're going to be looking at is the pre-chorus, and the chords are going to be up on the screen for you. We have a C major to a D major, back to C major, and then to our D major chord again. Now those first 3 chords that we see up on the screen, the C, D, C, are going to get the strumming pattern down, 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 up. So the C major will get down, 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 up, then to the D major, back to C, down, 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 up, and that final D major is going to get a down, up, down with a mute straight after. So you really want to be quick with that mute. We don't want those strings to ring out. So we have down, and then a mute with our palm. You can also use your left hand or your fretting hand to do that, if that's easier for you. So the pre-chorus in total will sound like this, starting on the C major. Down, 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 up to the D our mute. And if we add some singing here, well, okay, I made this up. I promise you I'd never give up. And that leads us really nicely into the chorus, which is coming up next. Hey guys, if you are enjoying the lesson today, which I hope you are, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me grow the Stellar community and be able to make more lessons just like this one for you every single week. So let's get back into the lesson today. Next, let's look at the chords used in the chorus. We have an A minor chord, to our C major, to G major, and to D major. Now throughout the song, those chords are going to be repeated for a different number of times depending on the length of the chorus. So for example, the first chorus is only going to play that chord sequence twice, and then later on in the song you'll see that that chord sequence is going to be repeated 4 times. So let's just practice through playing the chorus now twice with the strumming pattern down, 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 up on each of those chords. So if we take it from the A minor, it's going to sound like this. Here we go. And down, 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 up, C chord. To the G, and to the D chord. And one more time from A minor. Down, 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 up, C. And the G, and to the D chord. And then the final section that we're going to be looking at today is the bridge. And this section is where we have sort of like a guitar solo happening. And we're going to be learning the rhythm guitar part here. So the chords we're going to need are E minor for 2 rounds. We're then going to have an A minor for 2 rounds. Back to E minor for 2 rounds. And then to our C major for 2 rounds. And then this is going to lead us straight back into the guitar riff on the G. So the strumming pattern that we use in the bridge is going to be the pattern we've used throughout the song. Down, 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 up on each of the chords up on the screen. So let's try put that bridge together, starting on the E minor. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, repeat. A minor. And repeat. Back to E minor. Repeat. And then to the C. Repeat. G riff. So there you have it, everyone. Those are the main sections of the song, if it makes you happy. I hope your fingers are doing okay. Mine are definitely taking some strain. But if you are feeling ready and excited, then make sure you have your guitar ready and join me for a play along, which is coming up next. Let's take it from the top. A 1, 2, 3, 4. It makes you happy. It can't be that bad. girl you take home. If it makes you happy, it can't be that bad. If it makes you happy, then why the hell are you so sad? If it makes you happy, it can't be that bad. If it makes you happy, then why the hell are you so sad? Holy mother trucker. Oh my goodness, well done. If you made it through the entire play along with me, congratulations. I hope your pinky finger is not screaming at you right now like mine is, but I still hope you had a fun time and enjoyed playing and learning the song with me. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel and join the Stellar community. You guys really are awesome. Say hi in the comments below, and I cannot wait to see you in next week's lesson. Have a wonderful day. Bye.